Circle. The set of points equal distance from a single point called the center. A fun experiment is to draw a dot or a point on a piece of paper. Then take a short length of string, parentheses, or tape, say 2 inches, and parentheses, and hold one end at the point drawn on the paper, and the other on an upright pencil, and proceed to make many dots with the pencil, the equal string's length from the drawn point. If the points or dots are made close enough, and there are enough of them, and the length of the string is kept consistent, then the set of dots or points made will take on the shape of a circle. The definition of a circle is that set of dots or points which are an equal distance from that original point drawn, which is called the center of the circle. The string becomes the radius of the circle, keeping the dots at a consistent distance from the center and forming the arc of the circle. When students are in earlier elementary school grades, they may cut out a circle shape and call it a circle. But in high school geometry, we learn the area inside of the circle is not the circle. Rather, the circle is the line which defines the area of the circle. So the definition of a circle is the set of points which are an equal distance from the one point called the center of the circle. Related words: center, set of points, arc.